Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by locking the essentials: topic, audience, and purpose. Once done, set a target length 3, 5, or 10 minutes and list 3 to 6 core points. Now craft a precise prompt that tells the AI tone, structure, and examples to mimic. For speed, include a hook, 3 main sections, and a call to action. Then run the model to generate an initial outline. Make sure to request section headings and suggested timing for each part. You now expand outline sections into a draft. Ask the AI to write each section separately: intro, body points, transitions, and conclusion. Make sure to specify voice, conversational, formal, or storytelling, and a reading pace so timing matches your target. Once the draft appears, insert 1 or 2 personal anecdotes and concrete facts. Request concise transitions to keep flow. Then iterate, edit phrasing, shorten sentences for clarity. You finish by polishing for speech delivery. Read aloud and edit sentences so they sound natural when spoken. Cut long clauses and keep punchy lines. Make sure timing matches your target, trimming or expanding by roughly 10% until it fits. Export to your device or paste into a teleprompter app, then rehearse with TTS or a friend. If the AI output feels generic or off-tone, refine your prompt with concrete examples, stricter constraints, and a sample paragraph to emulate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.